In this video, we will learn the basic operations in mathematics starting with addition. In the last video, we have completed the addition of integers, whereas in this video, we are going to deal with the addition of decimals as well as fractions. So let us start with a basic problem. 2.4 and 3.2 are to be added. The addition of decimals is same as that of addition in integers. Let us start with the addition of last column, that is 4 and 2. So 4 plus 2, it is 6, and coming to this column, the next column, 2 and 3, 2 plus 3, it is 5. The only difference is aligning the point. We need to make sure that all the points are falling on the same column. Let's go to the next problem. 4 plus 2 is equals to 6. Then moving to the other column, so 2 plus 0, it is 2. So the last step is aligning the point in the same line, right? So the answer is 2.6. Now coming to the third one, so here we have in the last column 1 and nothing over here, so no problem, just we consider it to be 0. So 1 plus 0, 1, and 4 plus 4, the next column is 4 and the 4, so it is 8, and 2 plus 2 in this column we get 4. What is the final thing? We need to make sure the point is to be placed in the same column. Yes. So what is exactly the difference between the addition of integers and the addition of decimals is the point or dot. Decide the place of dot or point wisely in the answer. Moving to the next level, here we got 2.4 that is to be added to 3. One is decimal, the other one is integer. So in the last column we have only 4 and we have nothing over here, we consider it as 0. So 4 and 0 gives 4. Now coming to the other part, that is 2 and 3 gives rise to 5. Now where do we need to keep the point? Here all the 3 points must be in the same column, but over here we have one dot and here a dot is missing, and where do I need to keep the dot now? Yes, so here is the observation. If there are no points, I mean if there are any integers, so at the end of the integer we can keep the point. So now here is a point, and we keep the point over here. The next one is adding 2.4 to 22.4. Yes, 4 and 4 gives rise 8, and 2 and there is nothing over here, so 0. So 2 plus 0, it is just 2, and in the first column it is 2 and 2, that is 4. Now where do we need to keep the point or the dot? If I consider this place, so we don't have any dot over here, the dot is missing. I cannot shift the dot like this. If I shift, I need to shift along with 2. So this is the wrong answer. How can we correct that? Let us go to the rule. Before you start to solve, make sure all dots are on same vertical line. They must be on same vertical line. Let's go back to the problem. (22.4) and 2.4. Here the points are in a same vertical line, so we can proceed now. If the points are not in the same line, so we need to stop solving that. We need to first arrange, then we need to solve. So 4 plus 4 over here it is 8, and 2 plus 2 gives 4, and at the last, I mean the first column, 2 and nothing, that is 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. So where the point comes? In the same line, that is over here. The answer is 24.8. Moving to the next level. So we have a problem. 4.414 is to be added to 3.818. Now last column is to be considered first. So 4 plus 8, it gives 12, right? And over here, moving to the next column, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3, and then we have a column with 4 and 8. So 4 and 8, it gives again 12. Then we have 4 plus 3, 7, and the point must be on the same vertical line. So like this we keep. Okay, but it is wrong. Sorry to say that, because whether it is addition of integer or the addition of decimals, we always need to send the carry to the left column. Yes, what is the rule? Remember to take carry over the column left to it, even if we need to pass through the dot or the point. Yeah, is it clear? Yes. Now let's get back to the problem. Let us solve it correctly. Yes. Now 4 plus 8, 12. Yes. So this is the carry over here on the top, and then next 1 and 1 and 1. So it gives 3 over here. Next column, it is giving me 12. So 1 over here, that is the carry. These are the carries. And 4 plus 3, it's 7, and above here 1. So 7 plus 1, 8. So where do we need to keep the point or the dot? In the same vertical line. So the answer is 8.232. It is not 7.1232. Okay, so with this we will conclude the addition of decimals. Let us learn the addition of fractions in the next part. Thank you.